So hello everybody, a sunny day again. It's already fall, but we still have some good temperature outside, and we have some very cool stuff for you, because we have the performmaster version GT63s today here, and we will use the drift box to see how fast the acceleration goes to 100, and of course also rolling start 100 to 200. I'm very anxious to see the numbers. This version actually has 740 HP and more than 1000 Newton meters of torque. You need to get the power down in a good way to really achieve good numbers. We have normal tires on a no cup tires, but let's see if we can get something at around 3 seconds, let's say, to 100, and I'm very anxious to see how the time actually goes as we're going faster. Race mode, of course, sport handling mode we will put in. I will not put the traction control off, which might better the time, but it's a bit unsafe, and we will see how that works. You can already hear internal measurement system is also counting, so we can also see or validate more or less numbers of GPS box and internal system later on. Let's now see how fast the car goes from 100 to 200. So pretty cool times again, and as expected, they're really fast. We managed to do 3.0 from 0 to 100. I've talked to performmaster, and they said they will get the, let's say, below 3 seconds with cup tires. We have normal tires here on this car, so 2.9 seconds is possible, or maybe even faster if you got better tires, but we even managed to get a 3.0 with the normal standard tires that you can get from the factory. The time that's probably more impressive is that the 100 to 200 time is at 6.3 seconds. 6.3, this is almost the fastest car that we have tested so far, and it is about the same speed as a GTR, or maybe even a bit quicker at some speeds, and is about as fast, or almost as fast, as an R8 V10 performance. Considering this huge car and the wind resistance and the huge tires, that is just simply astonishing how much more power they get out of the, let's say, GT63 version here, and the punch that you also feel is immense. So we will have more fun with the car on the country road, and of course also with photo shoots here, so stay tuned on Instagram and also Facebook as we upload more stuff.